This video in a watch here bụ video Eke Hit email. Now this video ka Eke Hit no we na advise our Governor Soludo on how to handle the security problem Anambra State in. So get the video. First of all, let me do a small introduction of who is Eke Hit and what type of work Eke Hit is doing. Okay, Eke Hit is one popular native doctor known as Okeja. So the type of work Eke Hit in alone as a native doctor, according to him, also known as Warundacha Wogu. The work Eke Hit in a mebo, a Warundacha Wogu, or in a matcha woman, or in a Lorwacha, and the hen water customer. If you're not sure Eke Hit, according to him, no a Worogogu, if you don't wear customer. According to him, also not only in a me for a pepe, ni a Yahoo, and then happy to go be an Ashirania as a young guy named Ife Yahoo. According to him, another work on a mebo also na no one naturally pobodo yibo, naturally bu cocaine web pobodo yibo, and no John Atogo. Go be an Ashirania or what go ni yebu cocaine see Nigeria je any country all nature region on disturb. This is the type of man and advice say Governor Soludo on how to handle security issue Anambra State in a way. This man don't have ever break a hit. So now one of the big serious problem Anambra State in a way. This man don't ever break a hit. Obrona governor of Anambra State, or one of the government in a role of this man and break a hit supposed to be in prison by now. This man should contribute to insecurity and all this problem Anambra State in a way. Eke Hit. Imana this problem in the native doctor na ndeze one in Anambra State in where Imana so contribute to that problem. Imana go contribute to 90% of that problem. Akwa okuko million wilo na ezo obi na other native doctors na apetosi ife ha na apetosi. Ngwa abu okenye suppose ide to call them back isoro ha na apeto because of greedy. Imana ibu okenye no n'uno ewu anwuo n'ogbo. Eke Hit ibu okenye no n'uno ewu anwuo n'ogbo. A being your governor advice. Somebody now sponsor, now support the criminality. Even anybody who now support the criminality or now sponsor criminality is also a criminal. Even in what sense, Eke Hit, I'm sorry to say it, he was a criminal because he now support all my in a good mother. He now support on Dashawo. He now support on the drug up outside Nigeria. You also a criminal in what sense? In the name of former. Every time on social media, be advise our governor on how to handle insecurity. Insecurity, I'm not going to work us. Ebutanas governor of how he's handling the native doctor, now handle on the fake pastor. Only fake pastor in this country, we keep na social media, who no na Rondacha wall, let me compare you with fake pastors. Only fake pastor we keep na social media, who na all nature ibu drug, poor budoibo, go be an church, only any fake pastor we keep here. Only any fake pastor we keep put on social media. When only she obodo Igbo, money in Eguayo, only in a Yahoo, go be a better. Keep it on wayo. This is what you are saying. The Marana Krogaka. Let me tell you, open up the governor of Anambra State. Eke Hit on Imen Gampuloka. I have told Gampuloka every morning. I know you You deserve it. An old man. Supposedly that call other native doctors are walking and do it, and I call her to order. Is so handy Susugari because he need the ego. If you be in your governor of Anambra State advice, and you could able to take your registration form. It's in the native document 2000, a register na 2001. The registration form, if you register your company, shows that your company was registered as a medical practitioner. Medical practitioner, and then a warrior. Your company was registered as and then a warrior, but today. What you are doing is different from what your company is registered as. If you are not with the Warundacha Wogu, a Warunde Yahoo Ogu, a Warunde Nebu Drug is so Budo upon Nigeria Ogu. It's different from what your company is registered as, which means it's a fraud, it's a criminal act. Your company was registered as Ebana Warrior, but today, you don't even know how to cure malaria and typhoid. If you may be that Warun Ndama, Ndempona, Hunde Yahoo Ogu. Eke Hit, I'll make you 2 weeks. All need your chief name. 2 weeks ọ bụ na ije eche ife ị na-eme mmeji aka m kpọta ndị agụ na-eche mba na your shrine. These boys they will treat you like a criminal. Mmeji aka m kpọta ndị udo gashi security operative mma kpọta ya na your shrine. Those boys will handle you like a criminal. It is better now na ije kịta je chọọ ife ị ga-eme, go and look for a job to do. Your registration form is different from what you are practicing. Wee kịta je chọọ ife ị ga-eme, ana m enye gị advice. Wee kịta je chọọ ife ị ga-eme, in 2 weeks time mmeji aka m kpọta ndị agụ na-eche mba na that your nonsense shrine. Ụmụazị they will treat you like a criminal. Hope na iwọ ịfụrụ ụmụazị jere ime sacrifice today, ndị agụ na-eche mba wee kpara ha aka, ọkwa ifirife ha mere ha. That is how they are going to handle you. Go and look for what you are going to start now. All native doctor anago.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe on this channel, share this video, like, comment, drop your thoughts on the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video. Thank you for watching.